Welcome everybody to Ashe County, North Carolina. We've got some nice new doors on the barn today, and we're going to show you exactly how to open them with ease. Yes, first panel goes back. As you can see, moving in here, there's a latch. Our lovely assistant has latched it. Now we're ready to open the second larger panel. Oh, and now the garage door is only halfway open, yet you can, as you can see, fit an entire truck inside. Now, in the windy days, this latch down here is very handy. Keeps the doors from closing on you before you back your truck out of your garage. Oh, we're moving right along here. You can see the safety latch has been released. This latch can barely be reached by a tall bear, but fortunately our lovely assistant is capable of easily grasping it. Similar mechanisms over here. We got a latch which goes in a hole. Let's watch it line up. It's precision woodworking in action and penetration. All right, that's how it's done. As you can see, plenty of room for wood and wood accessories and chairs and extension cords. And we've successfully opened the garage with ease. No strain on our lovely assistant. He's not huffing or puffing. He's even ready to close them with ease. Release the pin and pull it in. Ta-da! Oh, I mean, you can see the locking mechanism from the inside of the door. Ta-da! Oh, here it comes now. Another hole. Here it is. Oh yeah, and we're in. Locked. Hard to access from the outside. As you can see, the doors are quite girthy. Can stand up to Class 5 hurricanes and really strong tornadoes and mountain winds, which blow trees down that look like that. Now for the final panel, closed with ease. You can see the latch here, latches with ease. Third time's a charm. Oh, there it goes. And you jam her home. Hey. But we're going to leave it open for now because we still got some stuff to do in the garage. Small animals even enjoy the doors and the truck. Isn't that right? Yeah, I figure we got some projects left to do, so that's the end of our amazing display of the garage mahal that we have here. There's also side doors available for side entry. You can see the hinges. You could probably drive a car through there too if you really wanted to. They open quite easily. Just the turn of a wooden latch and you're in. Would you look at that? Small wood collection, chairs, fire pit. You can pretty much fit a whole household inside with easy access. Oh, and finally, a great accessory to every garage, of course, is a custom-made canoe and kayak rack with a spare spot for an extra kayak. Oh yes, and a two-wheeled wheelbarrow, no less. Well, that's it from the mountain estate today. We're going to continue to get rained on. You can see it's a little cloudy. And we'll see you next time here on Ashe County Live. Good night, everybody.